Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive app, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will enter to the window of Google Drive. Then this page of app info, you will enter to first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then we click clear cache. And in the end of all the steps, then you can turn off your phone. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.